Hello everyone. Hi Aries, fire sign. This is the reading for you, January monthly 2021 reading, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see your messages. Aries, fire sign. What's going on? Aries, the messages for January month. Okay, let's see. So let's see your reading, Aries. I think someone is coming towards you in recent past, or for some they already approached. For some, if not, they are going to be approach you. Yeah, they are in rush, and there is love coming towards you. Ace of Cups is here, but you are guarded up. You are not available to them because there are some trust issues. Why I am seeing here, because right now what is going in your connection, the Moon and Justice and the Empress. I think you stand by your power this time. I think there are some disturbances between both of you because the Moon card is about secrets and some disturbances between you and your person. I think they may be hidden something from you, or you may be hide something from your person. Definitely there are some disturbances, some illusions between you and your person. I think the person involved in this connection could be Pisces also. That's why you are guarded up. Maybe some trust issues, you don't want to trust them again because in past you already trust them, that type of energy. And Justice, yeah, they want second chance. Definitely they are coming for second chance, but you cut them off because you don't trusting them this time. That's why you cut them off, but they're coming back, but you stand by your power. The Empress is here and the Justice is here. Yeah, so some communication is also coming because air energy is here. Yeah, Two of Pentacles, the Fool in Nine of Pentacles. I think you are going to be juggling in decision wise. Definitely there are some juggling. I think right now you are concentrating on your career. That's why you are not investing your energy on any relationship because you want your financial stability. That's why you are in busy. For some, yeah, you started something new in career wise and you will get success also there because Nine of Pentacles is achieving financial stability, and you are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally and financially. You started something new and you are going with the flow. Yeah, you are achieving success and you are getting recognition also, Aries. Yeah, you are achieving financial stability. It is very good, and you are in very good energy because this is very attractive energy because you stand by your power. You are very grounded, but they want brand new beginnings with you, the Fool. Yeah, they really want brand new beginning and they want second chance, but it's up to you. I think you are thinking about to make decision. I think you are juggling what I'm seeing here to make decision. It could be relationship wise decision or could be financial decision. Definitely there is some juggling is going. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. Under the deck, King of Swords, communication, clarity is coming. I think your person want to communicate and they want to give clarity to you. So Aries, let's see your person current feelings first, then we will see the near future actions towards you. So Aries, your person current feelings. Wow, Nine of Cups, Hanged Man, Temperance. I think they are wishing for this connection. They're thinking very positively about you, and they're stuck on you. For some, your person undergoing some transformation, spiritual awakening. And the Hanged Woman, definitely they're thinking about what to do, like that, and they are stuck on you. And Temperance, I think they want balance in this connection. I think there is no balance in the past, because I think your person did something wrong to you. That's why there is separation happened between both of you. If you are not in separation, no contact, then they realize you both, they are coming back for second chance. Definitely this time they want balance in this connection. They're trying to restore balance in this connection. Aries. I think the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. Yeah, definitely under the deck, Three of Wands. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states, and waiting game. Definitely there is some waiting, delay, time delay. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Yeah, they're wishing for new beginnings, but don't know what to do. They're stuck on you. They're thinking about you a lot. They want to restore the balance. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Aries. Queen of Cups, Page of Wands, Princess of Wands, Seven of Swords. One more card. I think your person may be manipulated. That's why you're not giving another chance to your person. That's why you're not sure. You're not sure about to give another chance, because there is some sneaky energy. Because Seven of Swords with Magician. Yeah, sometimes Magician treated as manipulator. Yeah, I think your person may be manipulating you. In past, maybe they played some games with you. That's why you're not trusting them. That's why maybe they're scared to come towards you, to take action towards you, because you may reject them. I think, yeah, Seven of Swords. In past, they may be hide something from you. They may be cheated on you, lied to you. Definitely there is some sneaky energy. That's why you are not taking decision. You are concentrating on yourself. You are investing on energy on yourself. You are financially stable. But now they are coming back for second chance. So it's up to you. I think a lot of you are not going to give another chance if you already know that your person is sneaky. For some, it could be third party situation also. So if you already know that your person putting you in third party situation, you are not going to take give another chance to your person, what I am saying. But somehow now they are realizing you both. They are recognizing feelings for you. Yeah. Queen of Cups and Page of Wands. Definitely some communication you will receive from your person, and unexpected communication, what I am seeing here. I think one person may be younger than the other person in this connection. Yeah. So if you already know that your person is cheating on you, lied to you, and playing games with you, be careful before giving another chance to your person. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed and outcome. And Five of Cups under the deck. Definitely separation between both of you. So let's see the outcome where this connection is headed on near future. So energy could be vice versa, guys. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Three of Cups. Ten of Swords. For some it could be third party situation, because Three of Cups with Ten of Swords. For some, your person want rebirth in this connection and they want reconciliation. Yeah. They know that you don't want to give another chance, but still they are hoping for second chance with you. Still they are hoping for reconciliation. Death. Your person could be Scorpio also. I think you decided to move on from this person, Aries, what I am seeing. After the transformation, I think you are undergoing some spiritual transformation. Yeah, you decided to move on. Yeah, I think for some, your person want to fix the things between both of you. For some, you decided to move on from this person. For some, I think I'm not seeing a lot of you giving another chance to this person. Because Seven of Swords with Magician, 80% manipulator. Very few there will be second chances, but lot of you, I think you are decided to move on, but now they're realizing you both, what I am seeing here. So the person involved in this connection could be Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or it could be Scorpio. So let's see your overall energy for the month. Aries. Wheel of Fortune, Four of Cups, Three of Wands. Yeah, definitely you are feeling sad for the separation which had happened between both of you, but you turn your back from your person after you came to know that the truth about your person, that they played games with you, they maybe cheated on you, lied to you. Yeah, you turn your back, and this could be long distance relationship. Four of Cups. Yeah, they may be scared that you may reject their offer. Definitely, you don't want to accept their offer. Things are turning out in your favor. Wheel of Fortune is here. Yeah, it's your time. That's why you are financially getting stability. You are investing energy on yourself, Aries. Very good. So let's see your person overall energy for the month. Yeah, Four of Pentacles, the World, the Wheel of Fortune. You both got same card, and Queen of Pentacles. Now they want to share their life with you. Definitely they are waiting for the right time to come towards you because they are stuck. And Temperance also, they are patiently waiting for the right time. And the World, I think this could be, I think for some the same cycles are going to be repeating between you and your person. Okay, that is also creates so much resistance in the energy and in the connection also. Yeah, long distance relationship could be, your person want reconciliation and they want to express their feelings because Four of Pentacles. But it's up to you what to do, what not to do. At the end of the day, it's your life, Aries. So let's see some messages from Oracle. The messages for Aries from Moon. Look at the bigger picture. Full moon in Sagittarius. I think now the season is full moon in Sagittarius. Wow, look at the bigger picture. I think something big is coming towards you. I think financial stability. I think things are turning out your favor, and surrender to the divine. Definitely. So if you don't want to give another chance to your person, definitely surrender to the divine. And look at the bigger picture. Definitely something is coming in your way. Some positive changes is coming in your life. Look at the bigger picture. Definitely this is your time, Aries, what I am seeing, because you are going with the flow. You started something new in your life. Okay, and you don't want to take the decision now, right now. If your person approached you, then surrender to the divine your decision. Okay, let's decision surrender to the divine. So this is the reading for you, Aries. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.